Can I put yours on?
See, it's the same like when we cut fruits or anything, we need to wear the gloves. So when we go in the pool areas, we need to put the hat to cover our hair.
Next one. Awesome. Out the back. We're going to have a look in the freezer. Who likes the cold? So we're going to go to the freezer and we're going to have a look at where our fruit and veggies are. And then we're going to come back in here and then we are going to make some fruit sticks. Grab two.
I need to put name so that we know which one. Okay, I'm going next.
Okay.
Oh, it's so good.
It's a very cool.
You were cold, Daddy. Rockman. Who likes rockman?
Me. Not you. You better pick them first.
And we've got blueberries. And you just took the blueberries last. And we're going to poke it through. Can you see how I poked it through? I don't know about the apples, but all the other stuff can get poked through. The apples you can pull out and eat if you like.
Oh, good job.